Hello everyone, it's your host CodeCrafter. Today we are diving into the world of LeetCode SQL challenges. Get ready to sharpen your SQL skills as we tackle SQL 50 challenge using SQL, Pandas and PySpark. Let's get started.
On a SQL 50 LeetCode challenges, today's problem is problem number 595, finding out the big countries. They're given a table called as world and with columns of name, continent, area, population and their GDP. So this is the question that what they have given. So write a solution to find out name, population and area of the big countries. We can order it, we can go with any order, so there is no problem for it. What is the big country? We can say that they specified as at least 3 million, or the population need to be at least 25 million. So this is the condition what they have given. If you see the example, you'll get an idea right now. So on this example, the world table consisting of 5 rows with these specified columns, and output, if you see here, population, they selected a name, population and area. What are the rows they consider? We specified the condition before, right? So they specified they made the solution based on the condition. So let me go with the, so area need to be at least 3 million. If you see the area, nothing is there, everything is good, nothing will select. But the second condition is there, the population need to be at least 25 million. So if you see on a population side, so Afghanistan has 25 million and Algeria has 25 million. If you see the output, yeah, it's true, right? So let's go with the solution. So on a solution, first thing what we have to do is we have to select the table first because of the order of operations. So I'm selecting the world table first. And what is the condition they have given? They have given the condition where, first condition, what is the condition? Area should be at least, means greater than or equal to 3 million, or condition they specified, right? So, or at least population need to be 25 million. Population need to be 25 million. So the population, let me copy it and paste it. So what is the next thing we have to do? We have to select the columns, specific columns only. So select is the first thing they mention. So name, population and area. Name, population, and area we have to select. So let's run the code. We have successfully done that, so let me submit it. So I forgot to add a semicolon, so give me a moment of time, let me resubmit it. So yeah, that is successfully finished. That's it.
That's it for our today's LeetCode solution. Ready for more? Check out the links for Pandas and PySpark. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.